Students, today we will start English Unit 4 My Elder Brother. So, I request you all please open your English textbook and see on page number 64 this chapter My Elder Brother. So, let's start. Here you can see the first page of the chapter. You can see a boy is doing study. Two boys are sitting together. In the picture it is cut, but you can see in the textbook the picture of two brothers, right? So this is the short play is about two brothers who are affectionate and respectful to each other. The story also shows that the learning from our day to day experiences is as important as what we learn from the books in the school. So, this play is based on the famous story in Hindi Bade Bhai Sahab, written by Munshi Premchand. So, let's start. In this chapter, we are having total 3 scenes. So, we will see first scene. In the on the screen you cannot see properly, but you can see in the textbook. So, we will start. See on page number 65. Scene 1. A hostel room, two brothers aged 9 and 14 years sitting at a study table. The elder brother, Bhaiya, is reading a book and the younger one, Munna, is drawing pictures of birds and animals. So that only we have seen in the first page, right? That the boy, elder brother, it is called Bhaiya, and smaller one, it is the younger one. His name is Munna. They both are sitting together. Brother Bhaiya is reading the books and all, and younger brother Munna is trying to draw the pictures and animals and all. So see, let's start their conversation. First we will read the first page, this 65 number page. Bhaiya asked, "What are you doing, Munna?" Munna said, "I am drawing." Bhaiya asked, "When will you study? Where were you in the morning?" Munna said, "I was playing." Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? Means here Bhaiya was asking to Munna that what are you doing, Munna? Then he said that I am drawing, and Bhaiya said that when will you study and where were you in the morning? So Munna said I was playing in the morning. So Bhaiya was explaining, Bhaiya, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. So here Bhaiya said that I am thinking that if our base will be clear, base will be strong, so all building will stand firmly. So that is why sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. So Munna said, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am, and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. So Munna said that you are 5 years older than me, and you are 3 classes ahead of me. Means Bhaiya was very weak in the study, so 1 or 2 year he is passing in the same class. So that is why this is the grade gap between them are very less. So Bhaiya is trying to explain in the last paragraph. Just pay attention. You know, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject, to speak or write English properly. Tremendous effort is required, but the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles, and fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends or for fun. Can't you sit down and study? So Bhaiya is going to say that studying English is not the child's play. Means for that, to do any subject clearance, right? For uh, to work hard to work very hard in order to learn any subject. Means for learning any subject we have to work very hard. If you like, you will go in the play fields or play marbles or fly paper kites or sitting with your friends and having fun. So all the time you are wasting in this, so when will you sit down for study? Now see the next page. Munna said, "Oh bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go?" So Munna is asking, let it be this all things. So in the village there is a big mela. So shall we go? So bhaiya said, "Have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go to watch I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years, but you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard earned money." So here Bhaiya is explaining to him that did you see me to go to watch the movie or this kind of mela or cricket hockey match and all? I don't like this all things. I prefer to study a book. It is taking sometimes 2 years in a same class for me, but if you will not study, if you will waste your time in this kind of things, so never you will pass any class. And afterwards here in the bracket, in the previous paragraph, this bhaiya is trying to explain that you are simply wasting the our father's hard earned money. So here Munna starts crying on being scolded, and sobbing sounds wah 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 like this are heard, and bhaiya have scolded to him, so he started to cry. Now Munna said, "Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home." So Munna said, "I don't want to live in the hostel. I want to go. I feel like that I will run and go back to the home." So Bhaiya said, now stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. So here in the table, this bhaiya said that now you stop crying and I will make a timetable for you, so that timetable you have to follow for study. So here time and schedule has given. So 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Bhaiya have make the timetable, that which kind of subjects and school time, everything. That in the morning after having breakfast, English, maths, history, then school time, then after school grammar or half an hour for composition or dinner, then translation, Hindi and other subjects, and afterwards go to bed. Like this short timetable bhaiya have prepared. Now we will see the next page. Munna, but when is the time to play? In the timetable, there is no time for playing. So Bhaiya said, "Play? What is the need, Munna?" Bhaiya said that for playing, no need to play. Playing is not important. Study is important, right? So Munna said, "Oh, I love the green fields, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like the touch and go and huttu tuttu sounds of the kabaddi, and hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything." So Munna said that I like only playing, that kabaddi playing, or I like to go in the fields, open green fields, and football, and this volleyball is pulling me like a magnet. So when I am going to play, so I am forgetting everything. Now after that we will see the scene 2. The final exams are over and the results are out. Now in scene 2 what is going to happen, that we will see. Bhaiya, "Alas, I have failed once again." Munna said, "Oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is no only 2 years difference between us. Already this Bhaiya was weak in the study, and he was not passing every year, right? So finally Munna have passed and Bhaiya again failed in the same class. So Munna was excited. He became very happy and said that I have passed and topped in my class. He got the first number in the class, and now we are having only 2 years difference between us. So Bhaiya said, but my dear brother, don't be proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Once in a while, in a Gulli Danda game, you might get lucky and hit a goal, but that does not mean. See the next page. You have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. Very when you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiners will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbook. So here Bhaiya is trying to explain that you are thinking that you passed only one class in the and did the topper. So it means it is not necessary that you will feel proud. You don't have to feel proud, because when you will go in the higher classes, so there you will understand that for simple spelling mistake, or instead of ABC you will write ACB, whatever. So their examiners will not spare you. You have to work hard, right? So Munna said, oh, Bhai Sahib, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to the ninth class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in the class. So Munna said that you don't make me scared, right? I don't think that I want to go to the ninth class now. Now only I don't have to go in ninth standard, but I will complete my day's homework, and that is for that I will not get any punishment. Bhaiya said, just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's all so mixed up. So Bhaiya is trying to explain him that today only we got the homework, means that write a short essay on punctuality in 4 pages. So it was very difficult. It got everything mixed up. Munna said, thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have go on gone on and on. So here Munna said that let thank God that it was the time for school, because after that time the time was for school, and he was thinking that this scolding will be going on and on. Now we will discuss scene number 3. The results were out once again. After the 1 year, again the results came out. It so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now became gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. So here this time Munna again passed. In the scene number 3 it's shown that Munna again passed and Bhaiya again failed in the same class, and now this time Bhaiya looks very sad and Munna also looks very sad, but this time Bhaiya become more gentler and Munna become more naughtier. He was not really studied whatever he has to do. So see the last line in the on page number 68. Munna said, Ah, I am lucky. I can pass easily. I need not study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. So Munna was thinking that I am easily passing, right? Without any work, I am easily passing the classes. So now I don't have to study more, and now I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But one thing I have to take care, that if Bhaiya will see me to play and fly kites, so he will scold. So see the next page. One day, a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly, he becomes face to face with Bhaiya. So, he was going to fly the kites and he was thinking that Bhaiya should not see me, right? And one day he was flying the kite, and kite was not flying properly, so he was running towards that, and he comes face to face with Bhaiya. Now see what happened. Bhaiya said, "Aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all day along? Don't you realize that now you are in the 8th class and are not studying in a lower class? If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are, and will always be. Understanding does not come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class." So here Bhaiya scolded him that aren't you ashamed to playing kites all the day along? And he said that don't you realize that now you are in 8th standard, now you are not in a smaller classes, lower classes. You have to work hard, you have to see to Ma and Baba, or mother and father, right? That mama has not never gone to school and Baba also studied till 5th standard. So Munna said, really Bhaiya, is that true? Now see the next page. Bhaiya said, yes, there are 1,000 things that they know more than you or me. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Now, what would you do if I were to fall sick today? So, Bhaiya is trying to explain that you don't have to think, right? In the previous page, Bhaiya have explained that you don't have to think that now you have passed and we are having only one class grade distance, but I am 5 years old, so I have the right to scold you, right? I have right to make you the on the right path. And you have to see that Ma and Baba means Ma have not studied anything and Baba also studied only 5 years class. So you don't have to see them, that you have to see that always they have teach us the right thing in the world. Now what will you do means, if you will see that Bhaiya said that now what would you do if I were fall sick today? So Munna said, I don't know Bhaiya, I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hostel. So Munna said that I don't know if you will become sick, so I will call Baba and Baba will come here in the hostel. So Bhaiya said, I had expected this answer. Now Baba would not get upset if he would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba will know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. Munna said, Bhaiya, I am sorry, what you say is true. So here Bhaiya is saying that if I will say I will become sick today, so what you will do? So Munna said that I will call Baba and Baba will come here in the hostel. So Bhaiya said, yes, I expected this answer only from you. Now you see that if we will say to Baba, so what Baba will do? Baba will come here, he will see that what happened to me, then he will call the doctor. So how he knows that if I become sick, so I have to call doctor. So this way you don't have to, by experience only he comes to know that what kind of situations how to handle. So the elder brother tells him that grade gap can be erased, but the 5 years age gap cannot be. The younger brother then realizes that his elder brother will always remain older to him. Thus, he will always scold him and help him get on the right path. So, finally, the younger brother realized the importance of the elder brother. So, Bhaiya, after that, Bhaiya said that Munna said that Bhaiya, I am sorry, what you say is true. And Bhaiya hugs Munna very lovingly. Bhaiya said that I also like to play and fly kites, but if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibility. So Bhaiya said that I am elder than you and you are my younger brother, so I also like to play with friends and fly kites and all, but if I will do the same, so how will I take care of you? You are my responsibility. And Munna said, I love you, Bhaiya. So this was the very nice lesson. So we are having the conclusion. In the conclusion of the story, this story is teaches us that no matter of how intelligent we become, we must not forget to respect our elders and listen to their scolding if it is for the right reason, as they want our goodwill. So this is the very nice chapter. Now we will discuss meanings. It is given downwards only on page number 70. So I will read it for you. Foundation means solid base. Schedule means timetable. Essay means composition on any subject. Idling means without any purpose or lazy. Mastered means gained expertise, skilled. Now children, we will discuss question answers of this chapter. Question 1. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What are the things that Munna liked to do? Answer. Munna liked to walk in the green fields. He also liked to play marbles and fly paper kites. Question 2. What did Bhaiya do all day? Answer. Bhaiya read books all day. 3. Why was Munna not happy with the timetable that Bhaiya made for him? Answer. Munna was not happy with the timetable that Bhaiya made for him because there was no time to play in the timetable. 4. How do you think Munna felt when his brother was so strict with him? Why was Bhaiya so strict with him? Answer. Munna felt like running away and going back home when his brother was so strict with him. Bhaiya was strict with him because he did not study much and instead went outside to play with his friends. 5. Whose character do you like more, Munna's or Bhaiya's? Why? Children, in this question you can write your answer also. This I have put it for you. But if you like Bhaiya's character, so why you like Bhaiya's character, that also you can explain, but in a correct way. Answer. I liked Munna's character the most because he likes to play and enjoy his life with complete fun. He is not boring like his Bhaiya, who always likes to study the whole day. So children, whatever meanings we have discussed today, that meanings and question 1 to 5, write in your English classwork notebook and learn well. Thank you.